What's going on, folks? Zeek here with another banger of a video, and if you saw the thumbnail, I know you guys are excited just like I am. We're going to be talking about the Biscuit Ultra. Alright, so we are back at home base. As you can see, we got it on the desk. I'm super excited to go over some of the field tests that I performed in comparison to the Biscuit Pro. I'm super excited about this because I just got my Biscuit Pro, and the fact that we get to test the Big Brother prototype is amazing. So I am going to go ahead and crack this thing open, do a side-by-side comparison of both PCBs, and let's get to it. Alright, so we are down to bare bones. As you can see, we got the little brother Biscuit Pro here and the Big Brother Ultra right here. Let's go ahead and move this to the side. Now, something about the silk screen I want to add, there are some images on the Ultra that you'll find on the Biscuit Pro, like the satellite over the globe, the welding torch and striker. We've got a drone. I'm not sure, I don't know if that's like pickles flying out of a jar. Not sure what this is either, but let's see. We got Tux the penguin and Hedge's avatar, Magikarp. I want to say that's a Magikarp. Got a signal tower, and then on the back, the beautiful logo of the Biscuit Shop and the supportive PCB way on this project. Very cool. Now, as you can tell, some of the differences with the Ultra and the Biscuit Pro is you're going to get a 18650 battery slot. Now, I'm pretty sure the batteries shipping out with the Ultras that do hit the shelves are going to be from Rabbit Labs. So that's super cool. Check that out in the Biscuit server. And obviously the difference is the 18650 versus the 1000 milliamp battery from the Biscuit Pro. So something super cool that I thought was really clean was, as you can see, the porting is actually installed on the PCB. And then we have our connections for the antenna port to the actual MCU, which I thought is really clean. Makes it look nicely engineered and designed to present a very nice, sleek, and compact aesthetic. So let's go ahead and put these both back together, and I will show you guys field tests that I did in comparison with the Ultra to the Pro. Okay, so full disclosure, I probably ran about 7 to 10 tests with the Biscuit Pro in comparison to the Ultra. Now, mind you, this is a prototype and it runs off of a beta firmware version. So the first few initial readings, I had to share them with Hedge, and he was able to deduce what was going on and actually pinpoint that firmware sweet spot that it needed to be in order for us to actually see that gain in wireless networks collected. And for me, the experience was super humbling, and I am so happy that I was able to be a part of it. This is the first time I've ever got to, back and forth work with a developer or creator and then work with him in order to find a resolution. It was an amazing experience. Thank you, Hedge and Valley Tech, for sending this over. I had a complete blast. The Ultra is actually on its way to the next creator, and I'm super excited to find his readings and see what he puts out for this product. But let's go ahead and run the test, and I'll bring you guys back to the desk. Oh, that's good. So we've got the Biscuit Ultra, we've got the Biscuit Pro, we got a Node. I know, I only have one, but they're on their way, especially when I order the wrong one and Cal yells at me. One street, we're gonna do the Biscuit Pro. Same street, we're gonna do the Biscuit Ultra, and then we'll get back to the desk and see what we find. All right, folks, that's going to do it for the channel's coverage on the Biscuit Ultra prototype. If you guys are interested in getting more information or picking up your own device, linked below is the Biscuit Shop and the Biscuit Discord server. Now, I want to go ahead and say again, thank you to Valley Tech Solutions and Hedge for thinking about the channel and getting those devices over here to the desk so that we can provide this coverage for you folks. Now, I got to get out of here. Behind me is actually the hoarded materials that I need to finally deck out my Hellhound CYD build. Super excited for that. So stay tuned for that this weekend. Also stay tuned for the next creators coverage on the Biscuit Ultra. I know I'm excited for that. Aside from that, my name's Zeke. I hope you guys enjoyed rocking with me. I really appreciate you. We're almost at 1K. As of now, I'm not sure where we're at, but we are on the brink of hitting 1K. Thank you everyone to the community who was able to be a part of this growth. Yeah, I'm Zeke. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.